Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Loyverse. In the previous video, we have discussed how to create the category, how to update the category. Now we are going to fetch all the categories that we have into our POS system. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So see how we are going to fetch all of these categories. So here we have the get request and the base URL and with the category. So it should be a get request. Okay, rest of the process is the same. Okay, let's try to fetch all the categories. So let's start the server. Okay, so here we have the list of all the categories. You can see new category gray, electronics green, okay, and then blue, clothing. Okay, so we have the three categories that we are successfully fetched. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.